Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day po, Tatay. We love you po.
Hello, mga kong asawa. Happy Father's Day. I love you so much. Bye.
Hi, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day po. Happy Father's Day po.
Happy Father's Day, Pa. We love you.
Patrick, Happy Father's Day. We love you so much, Daddy Pa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Hello po, Tatay. Happy Father's Day. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo Donald. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy Father's Day, Tatay. We love you.
So, Happy Father's Day, Pa. We love you.
Happy Father's Day to our father, Antonio Baloro. We love you, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy Joseph and Lola Boy. We love you.
To our hardworking and loving Daddy, Happy Father's Day. We love you so much.
Happy Father's Day, Pa. We love you po.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you.
Hello po and happy Sabbath po sa ating lahat. Gusto kong batiin ng Happy Father's Day at lahat ng ating mga tatay diyan sa simbahan. Especially po sa aking ama, Happy Father's Day po, Tatay.